Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guess what I have for you guys? Oh wow, another pin unboxing. What's new? So this time I'm unboxing the Current Mood Disney Mystery Box collection that is at Disney World right now. So before I ramble on, because we all know that's gonna happen, I'm gonna go ahead and insert the footage of me at Disney unboxing these.
Forgot I got these, that's fine. I really want Abu, and if possible, if I get Tiana, I will be giving that to Holly. But my favorite is definitely Abu. That's like the only reason I got these.
Yeah, that one's literally us at Epcot. Like, don't talk to us, we're gonna eat.
Yeah, literally. Oh, behind you.
Oh.
In your airdrop. Okay. Oh, okay. Thumper's cute too. I'm okay with Thumper.
Thumper's adorable.
He's so cute.
Those are like giant.
What is his mood though? Is he sleeping?
He's just like sleepy, like chilling, kind of
okay, I
laughing.
just sent all of those to you guys.
Okay, great. If not, I'll just text them to you from when I get
fine.
Holly. Yeah, words are hard. Oh, I got Stitch.
Stitch is a good one.
That's a good one.
He's a good current mood.
Cute.
He's a good
Yeah,
current mood.
he's kind of my spirit animal on the real.
Yeah, a little
Okay,
crazy.
well, this is just going well. Okay, Abu.
All right, Abu.
Please, Abu.
Abu, we're manifesting Abu.
Pause for the juju. Put the juju out.
What's his name?
Who is that?
I can't.
The little cricket guy.
Oh, Jiminy.
Jiminy.
Oh.
Jiminy Cricket.
My friend Ashton actually loves him.
Yeah.
That's her favorite character. If you guys don't care about that, I may ask if I can buy that off of you because she loves Jiminy. It's her favorite character.
Hercules.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Hercules is a classic. We might have to try again for these then. All right, I'm gonna open one of these Current Mood ones, and then you gotta do the other one.
This is yours too.
Oh, did I grab that? I don't even know.
Oh, did I grab that?
I'd just be grabbing things left and right. Okay, on the Current Mood one, I'm really going for Tiana and Naveen. But I wouldn't be mad if I got Sebastian, just because at least he'd fit into my collection.
True that, true that.
I wish they'd make these easier to get into. Oh, I think it's Sebastian. Maybe.
Turn up.
Maybe.
Either that or the Queen of Hearts. Those are the two red ones.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, it's Queen of Hearts. You were right. That one's okay. That one
Yeah, she's all right.
That one might get traded.
It's Tiana.
No.
Sebastian.
No.
It's Abu.
It's Abu.
It's Abu! Yes!
Stop. That is such a cute
Oh
pin.
my god, this is me.
That is
if y'all don't know me, this is me.
Good pin. Oh my gosh.
I think it's probably my favorite pin so far.
Okay. We're happy.
Okay, we'll start with Current Mood. Maybe we'll get... This one's big.
I was going to say that is a big one.
It's another Abu.
Dang it. Well, at least the Lord was watching out for you on that one. He was like, I got you, fam.
It's another Hercules.
Dang it. We're not doing well on these Current Mood boxes. This one is really cute, though.
No, it is.
I might save this one and give it to Shelby. Because she's a trainer. And he's measuring his bicep.
Yeah.
So I might save that. I have more of the Current Mood collection. Trying literally so hard to get Naveen and Tiana. Or I would be happy with Sebastian. Come on, froggies. Oh gosh, these are so hard to get into. They don't have like a good
They don't.
pull tab thingy. Oh, Cheshire Cat.
Oh, that's a fun one.
At least we got a new one. I'll probably still trade that unless you want him. Because I feel like
if I don't get him, then I'd probably keep him. Yeah, I do like
wait,
him.
there's another bag. That was easier. And an extra Queen of Hearts, which we already got, so...
Bye-bye.
A trader.
Yeah, that's so mean. We're like, ugh.
Yeah. Okay, come on, froggies. Okay. Another Abu. That's the third Abu that we've got.
That's crazy.
Which is funny because I feel like we literally were trying so hard to get that.
Yeah, now of course we get it.
I feel like there's always a trick to these. Like they pull one direction.
We haven't seen
other.
any Stitches.
Oh, dang it, Jiminy Cricket.
Oh, I thought it was it too for a second. I saw the green.
I saw the green. Yeah. Okay, that's okay.
Okay, let me just collect all of these.
Literally.
What you want me to do next? We're after Sebastian. And,
Did you ever get the one that you wanted? A boo? Yeah. You got a boo.
Oh, okay.
Dang it.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one. Bitch. Yes! Finally!
Yay!
Oh my god.
I'm so glad we got
I feel
that.
so validated right now. Oh my gosh, is that Sebastian? Shut
Yes!
the front door.
Oh my god.
Okay, these are the ones that
Woohoo!
we literally waited like 9 boxes for.
Yay.
Oh
Thank
my
you,
lord.
Jesus.
About time.
Okay.
So as you can see, I didn't have too much trouble. I had better luck acquiring all the ones that I wanted out of this collection, especially with a little bit of Zoe's help. And so the first one I have is the Sebastian one. I think this is great. I love this part of the movie where he's like, oh my God, Ariel is singing to a whole human right there. What the heck is happening? Yeah, I mean, I think we can all feel Sebastian in this moment at least one point in our lives. Yeah, love it. This is probably the most relatable of these, and this is the Abu one from Aladdin. And I love that he is like totally stuffing his face with that like angry look. He's like, literally, do not even try and come for this food. I will kill you. And I definitely think that most of us can relate to that one. And lastly, I have, this is the one that I probably wanted the most because I think it's so cute and I love that it's Naveen and Tiana together. And this is the current mood and they're totally in love getting married. I love that she has her little flower and her veil, and Naveen has his like moth / butterfly bow tie. I just like, come on you guys, they're so cute. Like, oh, and I love the purple of in the background of this pin. It's such a pretty lavender. So yeah, those are all 3 of those. Let me double check if I have any more traders left in this collection because I'm not totally sure. Okay, so yes, I actually do have a few traders from this collection, which is exciting. So first of all, I actually have 2 of these. If you're an Alice in Wonderland pin or Alice in Wonderland fan, you will enjoy this pin. It is the current mood, and the Queen of Hearts is losing her head. So I do have 2 of those. So please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at HollyLollyCo. All the information will be in the description if you would like to trade for those guys. Just so you know, if you're interested in trading, I trade for pretty much anything Princess or Star Wars. Those are my main collections. And yeah. Next up, I have a Hercules pin. I love this one. I actually gifted one of these to my friend Shelby. She's a trainer, and I just thought it was, well, she's more than a trainer. She's a coach, like a full-on fitness lifestyle coach. Anyways, this is a Hercules pin, and I love these because Phil is like measuring Hercules's bicep, and I just thought that was so funny considering she's like my coach. And yeah, this is so cute. Also a really pretty light blue color in the background of this one, which I love. So if you're a Hercules fan needing this pin, please also feel free to reach out to me. And lastly, we have a cutie little crickety guy. We have Jiminy Cricket. And I should keep this one because this is actually my current mood all of the time, 24 hours a day. But I don't collect Pinocchio, so it needs to go to a more loving home. And it is Mr. Jiminy Cricket falling asleep. I mean, come on. We love to see it. So if you're needing that one, again, you know where to find me. Instagram is in the description. So yeah, those are all of the pins that I got and traded. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button down below for more Disney and lifestyle content. I am here all the time. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.